finished trying to do some editing of some of the videos that I took when we were away in Tenerife. So far I have packing video and travel day, and unfortunately it looks like I might have lost basically the rest of my videos. Yeah. So we're doing everything we can to try and recover them. I have like over 400 videos all missing, and yeah, basically probably unable to recover them. I have one last option before I completely give up hope, but yeah, I'm absolutely gutted. Just put a lot of work into it. I put a lot of effort into capturing all the right things, and you know, going nice walks around the hotel and at breakfast. It's obviously my first travel vlog or anything as well, vlog ever. And I we really kind of went outside my comfort zone as well, and I've probably lost it all. So yeah, we're trying the very last thing that we can, and it just might be that I don't have the rest of them. So yeah, like I say, I've got a packing video, which is one of the main ones I wanted to do because I really wanted to show what we were taking with us for our first holiday with our 4-month-old. And I have the travel day video as well, most of it anyway. I don't have all of it, but I've got most of it. And again, that was one of the things I really wanted to show because I wanted to show how we got on in the airport, on the plane. So I have about up to the plane taking off and that's it. So but yeah, I'm still going to put them all together and get them out because I still really want you to see them, and I'm just gutted that I don't have any more. So yeah, I might just not have any more to show you. We went lots of walks and everything, ate lots of really nice food, all of that really wanted to show you. But it is what it is. And I will put together as much as I possibly can and get it out so you can see. But what I would still really like to do, and what I was planning to do when we came back, was do just a wee kind of overview of our trip. In particular, I wanted to talk about the things that we took, obviously travelling for the first time with a baby, things that we thought worked really well, things that we didn't maybe think worked as well, or things that we would have changed. So I would really like to still do that, so that people know as well what we found useful. And as I'd said a couple of times before, I'm happy to turn that kind of into a bit of a Q&A as well. So if you do have any questions about anything that you've seen in the packing video, or any things that you think that you've seen that you maybe are thinking of buying and taking with you, just pop me a question, either through the YouTube channel or through my Instagram, Adventuring by Heather, because we did have an amazing holiday, and I think what we went with all mostly worked really, really well. There are only a few slight things that we would change, or maybe some other things that we would maybe take with us next time. Yeah, so the anxieties are definitely gone about travelling with a baby, and we are potentially looking at another trip, but we'll see. I'm just absolutely gutted that I might not have the full week to show you. Trying to wrap my head around the fact that I've, wouldn't let my husband eat his dinner before I'd filmed it all and spoken about where we were and everything, and taking the camera everywhere we went, everywhere. We even seen extra rooms in the hotel. So I literally videoed loads, so much every single day. Even if we were just at the pool, I had loads of different things. I'd done a full tour of the breakfast buffet, and yeah, it might all be gone. I'll upload this anyway, but I might not have much more than this, the packing video, the travel day, and my kind of roundup and Q&A for this Tenerife vlog series, which is, yeah, gutting. It's really upsetting, but I just need to, it looks like it's been a problem with either the camera or the SD card, something's made all the files corrupt, and I can't even open them to see if they're any good or not. So they might have been really bad. And I'm maybe saving y'all from a terrible vlog series. Because I've been telling everyone about this amazing hotel we're going to, because we loved it so much the first time. We loved it so much again the second time. And yeah, it just... But I'm definitely going to do the roundup and of everything, roundup of the whole week, and our travelling, airport, flight, takeoff, what we used, feeding, clothes, all those kind of things, heat, all of those kind of things. I don't think I've even managed to get the hand luggage. I had lots of things in the hand luggage, so I'm going to go through all that as well. So if there's anything that isn't in there that I can still get in, then I will do my very best. I will be uploading pictures to Instagram as well, so make sure you're following me, Adventuring by Heather, and you'll see pictures of the hotel. Maybe not videos, maybe not full vlogs, but yeah, I'll do what I can. Onwards and upwards. I'm going to be trying to do some different videos, so hopefully just try and get out on some different adventures. It might not be that we go away on holiday, it might just be that we go out for the day, and maybe go a wee bit further afield than just maybe our normal sensory classes or book bugs and things like that. We might go out further afield and see how we get on, trying to basically still have an adventurous life with our baby. Sometimes that might just be me by myself, sometimes it's all of us, sometimes it's more of us, or sometimes it might be me without baby too. So yeah. I'll get out what I can and we'll take it from there. So like I say, we've had a really nice trip away, so I really definitely want to share some things with you, and we're probably potentially going to have another trip booked as well. So, and even if we don't book that one, we'll be doing other wee things in between. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with us, because I'll definitely have more videos soon. And make sure you're following me over on Instagram as well, so you can keep up to date too. So subscribe, like this video as well, it just helps other people find me and help grow my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well, so that you get any notifications of any new videos I put up, which you know they're coming, just what and when, we don't know yet. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram. If you're still here at this point in the video, thank you. Thank you so much, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you all very soon with a packing video for our Tenerife 2025 trip with our 4-month-old baby. See you soon.